Hello and welcome to softexpert. It's 2023 and we are going to start it with a free, unique and creative Elementor theme that you can use for different purposes. It comes up with 150 demos that you can import with one click, and then you can customize those based on your needs using Elementor. And why this is a unique theme, I'll show you with a few demos, and then I'll show you how you can install this theme, how you can set up a demo data, and then how you can customize this theme. So this is the theme that I'm talking about. This is KY theme for Elementor. You can see complete list of all 150 demos, and you can follow the link in the description which will take you to this page. Here you can explore these demos and you can pick the one that you need. If you are only using the free version, you will get 100 plus demos, as you can see here, and all of these are very creative and unique in design. And you can use this theme for different purposes like agency, jewelry stores, creative photography, and so on. But this is specially designed for creating a portfolio website or a resume website, which I'll show you in this video. So I have opened a few of these demos. Let me show you one by one. This is one of the demos. As you can see, we have this menu over here. Very unique in style. We can close this, and if I scroll down, you can see this is a about section and with a contact me call to action. And this is the portfolio. You can see the hover effects and the texts. So this is very unique style, and this is why this theme is different from others. Let's explore another one. You can see this is VR creative agency, a call to action, a video, and this about me section, very minimal in design, then an image, icon boxes, and then portfolio. And we have this section and these effects. You can notice these floating effects. This is also free by this theme, and these effects, and so on. This is also a minimal design for portfolio. If I open up any of these, you can see that we have a slider, and then the portfolio title, description, category, tag, and date, and we can go next and freebies to other portfolio items. And also we have the additional pages like about, team, portfolio, and contact, and it also have this fixed header by default. And then this is the last demo that I'll show you in this video. You can see that this is an e-commerce website with cart and very unique design. As you can see, this will show it to cart on hover. So if you need, you can also create an e-commerce store using this theme and this style or any other styles. So these were some of the demos, and let me show you how you can get this theme and how you can install this. So to get this theme, you can just go to this link, and then you can go to all products, and here you can click on this KY theme, and this will take you to this page, and here you can get its free version. So just click on this and you will be able to download this theme. I already have downloaded this. Let me show you. This is the theme that you will get after downloading. Now we just need to upload this to our Wordpress. So let's go to our Wordpress dashboard, and here I am in the dashboard, and if I go to appearance and themes, here I can upload that theme. So I'll click on add new, we'll click upload theme, choose file, and we'll select that theme, open, and install now, and then activate it, and new theme activated. This will show you this message: thanks for choosing KY theme, install this plugin to launch and optimize design in minutes. So this is the plugin that we need to import the demo data and all the designs. So just click on this, and this will install this plugin, and that's it. Now we have successfully installed and activated the theme and its plugin. This will take you to its dashboard where you can learn more about this plugin. You can go to its knowledge base, documentation, and the demos from here. And now let's see how we can import any of these demos website. So for that, we will just go to this plugin and we'll click on import. And here you will see all the website that I showed you earlier. And if you want to only use the free version, then you can switch to free. And you will see all the free templates and websites. And you can also filter these with these architecture and property, art, blog, magazine, and the type of website that you need. And you can also choose the specific colors if you want. So all of these are dependent on you, and you can pick the one that you need. Now you can view any of these and then you can import any of these. So let's say I like this one, so I can view this in a new tab. So as you can see, this is a very simple theme. And let's say I want this one. So for that, I can go here and I can click on import. This will take me to this page where I can learn more about this template. Here we have 5 pages. This is the title. And we need these plugins. Now I already have these 2 plugins, so I'll just activate these. And I also need this one, so I'll install this and then we'll activate it. Now we have all the required plugins. So in the import type, you can choose that if you want only to import the content or widgets or options, or you can select all to import the whole template. And let's also enable this to import the attachments, and then click on import demo and click OK. And this will start importing this website. So this will take some time based on your internet speed. Let's wait for this. And now import is completed. If I go to pages, I have all these pages as you can see. And if I open this website in a new tab, you can see that I got the whole website here on my domain with all the pages, call to action, the images, and all the section and images. And these are the portfolio items or the blog posts. So this was how you can get and set up this theme for free, and then you will be able to make changes with Elementor. If you want to learn more about Elementor and its add-ons, you can visit my channel. I have lots of videos about Elementor and its add-ons, and also showed you that how you can create a full website using Elementor. So this was a new year gift for you. You can install this theme and you can get all these demos, the one that you need, and you can use this for your client's website. You can also build a strong portfolio website using this theme. So I hope you have learned something new in this video. Still, if you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next